Assalamualaikum grade 10. Hopefully you all will be fine. Today date is 17 September 2020. It's my 51st lecture and day is Thursday. Today I am going to give you a practice to write a letter. Again, letter to the editor. I discussed how to write a letter to some higher authority or to the editor of a newspaper. So it's a formal letter. See the question. Write a letter to the editor of a newspaper appealing for the victims of flood. यानी जो सैलाब के मुतासर लोग हैं उनके लिए आपने अपील करनी है न्यूज़पेपर के थ्रू. So it is very easy letter. You know how the flood damaged the province of Sindh and Karachi. Many villagers suffered and how it create damage and create problems for the people of the country. So it is very easy. You have to say that you want to highlight the issue of flood victims through the column on your newspaper, and you want to discuss about the recent floods that have caused much damage to the vast area of the Sindh province and Punjab. Hundreds of villagers are died and their cattle or their animals are also drowned. Their crops are damaged or their crops are destroyed because of the flood, and there are many people who are injured. There are many people who are very sick and they are asking for medical aid from the government. Many people lost their houses, they are homeless and they are sitting under the open sky. So the government should take steps to help these sufferers of the flood. So it is very easy. You know the situation in Karachi, you know the situation when the flood came and how the people suffer. So it is very easy for you. I hope you will write it in good points about the topics. So how you can help the flood victims and what steps government should take to save the people. I hope you will understand how to write it. I want you to do practice it for your exam. It is just for your exam practice. You should know how to write and a letter so that it should be in your mind before the exam. Best of luck. Allah Hafiz class.